Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of GMS Racing. On today's episode, we're going to be pulling the tranny out of John's Supra and give you guys an update on the 6-port exhaust manifold along with an update on our intake manifold that we're releasing, the billet one. And if you missed last week's episode, Gustavo was back in the building. We got him taken care of with the updated manifold. So make sure you can check that out, but we're gonna dig right into it. All right, guys. I know last time I gave you guys a quick teaser about the 6-port. We have it on the lift now. Thank you, John from Texas, El Paso. He sent us this car so we can build our 6-port kit on it. We really appreciate the support and him trusting us to have his car here. So we're excited to have it here. We have already working on taking the manifold off right now. We're gonna have Jensen, our engineer. He's gonna be working on the flange so we can get everything rolling, get the material here to get started on that. So this is a little bit late on this video as far as the flange goes. That's something we've been working on a little while. It's gonna be at the water jet to get cut out. But right now, like I said, we're getting the manifold off. We're going to start building the manifold piece by piece to get the best fitment we can. Our goal is to try to get the turbo to sit in a similar spot where our 2-port manifold sits. So that's the goal right now. We want to be able to use the same charge pipe to make it easier across the board for our dealers to be able to have that stuff on the shelf for both 2-port and 6-port. So we got the man here.
I'm choosing which socket I need for the manifold right now.
So we're gonna need to keep cracking at this, get the turbo out, and get it ready. Go from there. Just about out. A little more work than the 2-port, but we're getting it. Just have a few more bolts here to get off, and it'll be off. This will start the development process for you guys to have a 6-port soon. So, all right, guys, just like that, about an hour and a half. Got the manifold completely out. 6-port, baby. You guys get ready. We got a nice manifold coming. Nice kit. Best kit in the market as far as we're concerned. So stay tuned. Man, you guys are cooking. How long have you guys been on this? 15 minutes, if that? Maybe 20?
20.
What do you guys got left? Dude, you guys almost have this thing out.
Just like 4 bolts. Just a bolts.
Alright, this is John Strani. He's going to be getting sent out to Pure Drivetrain Solutions to get upgraded. We really started on like 15-20 minutes ago, and it's going really good. These aren't bad to get out, guys, so if you guys want to do it, if you can guys do it yourself, send it out to them or reach out to us and we'll get you taken care of.
It's an E14, right? What? That's an E14 you're reading?
The one you just gave me.
Does it go in smoothly?
No. What? Shit, no. You feel this one?
It fits? Glove don't fit, full of shit.
Alright guys, the intake manifold is something that we've been working on for a while now. It's something that we've been fine-tuning, making sure that we get the best cooling, make sure get the best fitment. We went back and forth and we weren't sure if we were going to do cast end caps and runners, but we decided we're going to go with billet. So that's what we're working on now. We're getting an all 5-axis machine and go down that route. We've had a test model on the car. We had to make some adjustments. It's all 3D models. So in the course of this next month, we're gonna be focusing a lot on getting you guys this intake manifold. It'll be a full built-in port injection, and we will be able to customize them to any color that you guys want, and we're gonna try to cut lead times down and have them in stock. So make sure that you guys keep up with that on us on that. If you guys are gonna be going port injection soon or thinking about it, hold off just a little while. Make sure that you give us a chance to show you our product. It'll be, like I said, it'll have port injection built in, and you get rid of your plastic intake manifold. So we're excited to have that. Make the engine bay look so much better. So stay tuned on that. All right, just like that, it's out. About an hour's work. We're gonna get it palletized and sent out to Pure Drivetrain. Hopefully we have it back pretty quick. I'm gonna put it back in the car. That'll give us enough time to get the turbo kit put on as well, get it on the dyno, and make some good jumpers for John. Shout out to him. He's been extremely good to work with. So we're excited to do this for him and move forward with it. Dude, that's something else I know my dude. I'm gonna fuck with him. I'm just putting all this shit all the way up.
So
he's gonna be pulling up, fucking popping everywhere.
It's so loud.
Sure shit. That looks clean right here. You guys know the deal.
I'll have Ethan come and detail it.
I'll put them down in the description.
Yeah. Any local guys here, hit on my boy. Nils, they just opened up a detailing, mobile detailing. So we'll be using him for all our stuff.
We're using the BootMod 3 setup right now on my car. And it's been pretty sick so far. I can literally go and do a log. I could be in Vegas and log it, and the second I get done logging, it just sends it to Robert, and Robert can make me a new map.
Real quick.
Oh yeah. I'm loading on a new map where my burbles aren't maxed out, because Robert thought it'd be funny to turn my burbles all the way up. I hate burbles. He said, hey, go put it in sport mode. There's a surprise for you in Sport Plus. And that's the only map where I can actually where I have it turned all the way up.
Yeah.
So if I want to make any power, I have to drive around like a ricer. I don't think it's not rice. I don't like burbles though. Oh fuck, my fucking ignition is off.
We got Jensen set up with BootMod. Jeez. We're just doing stage 1 right now. Nothing crazy. We're gonna be doing our downpipes soon, but the thing rips for stage 1. So right now, he's hooked up on his phone, and with the Ethernet to your phone cable, you can run the OBD and flash it with your phone. So we can send you updates, and you guys can flash on the fly. We usually can book you some time so we can spend a one-on-one with your guys' car, but we just got beamers for days coming through.
No, dude, because the other day, when we retuned it, we forgot to tune out the cat. And literally, I can go and do a pull and just send it to Robert. And Robert was at his house. He's okay, just send you a new file. And then it takes 5 minutes to just reflash it. It's nice, dude. And then I can switch from all the revisions from Robert. So whatever flash I want to run. So if I say, okay, if I have Robert send me a map for burbles or no burbles, and you can run map switches with cruise control too. We need to have them set up a rolling anti-lag, because the M2s support rolling anti-lag on the M55.
That's good, huh?
Yeah, we should try it.
Yeah, we should try it.
Well, it's supposed to be set up, hold cruise control up in second gear and go full throttle, or above 3,000 RPMs, but I couldn't get it to kick on. I tried all night.
Yep. Stay tuned. We'll get that fixed.
Oh yeah.
Get some rolling shots on that. Some
Oh,
nights.
that'd be sick.
Go to Mexico. Let's go to Mexico.
I want to go to Mexico with Nelson's M5.
Oh yeah.
With the rolling
We
anti-lag.
went to Mexico the other night. Shout out to the Shelby out there. All right, guys. That's the BM3 on Jensen's M2.
I need to register this unit too, huh? Probably.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for this episode of GMS Racing. Make sure you guys check us out on Instagram, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel, and check out our website for any of the tuning. Any guys that need any BMW stuff, make sure you check it out. Like I said, we're big supporters of BM3 and Ecutech, and make sure you check out our Lambo and Supra stuff. That's it. We'll see you later. Peace.